wrestling is, it's no secret, it's entertainment, but one of the bigger secrets about wrestling, and it may not make sense, but if you think about it a little more perhaps, because there is an element of wrestling that is actually very real. And when the red light's on and you're across from someone who is your adversary, and it's almost like a violent dance. And I gotta be honest, I was very nervous, and particularly very nervous because Steven's manager was sitting in the front row. And I don't think Steven's manager wanted him to get in the face. I don't think he wanted anything to happen. Precious Margo, and he the whole time was just saying this. I was more terrified of the manager than Steven. Also, when I entered the ring by doing something called a springboard, right? So I came up, I jumped off the top rope, high in the air, and landed right in front of the room. I practiced that 100 times. And that would be fine, except one of the times, part of my language where I totally ate shit. And I didn't want to do it. I was like, I'm so scared that I'm going to mess up, and this is my first move. And if I mess it up, we're done. You might as well just leave the ring. And I said to Cody, like, do I have to do the springboard? And he's like, and he was very kind to me the entire time, and very like gentle and nurturing. And he goes, yeah, you do. You have to do the springboard. Stop being a baby. I mean, please, you can grab a celebrity who's got a physical background and he can do some of the simple stuff. I've known guys who've been in the ring for 15, 20 years that can't do a springboard. I watched him do it on his first try. So, I mean, like I said, the red light's on, you gotta deliver. Steven delivered.